Hello, my name is Rachel and welcome to my channel, The Girl with the Pilates Mat. Today we are going to be doing a 10-minute standing, cool down and stretch. All right, you don't need any equipment at all for this one. All right, so just go and get yourself ready and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so let's start by standing with our feet apart, drawing our abdominals in, and you're going to take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Deep breath in and out. Remember, this is a cool down, so we're just taking it nice and easy. Last one. And up. Good. Let's start with our arms and shoulders. All right, so you're going to bring this arm across. Hand here, check that shoulder is down, and just gently pull it around. So trying to feel the stretch through here and around your shoulder. And just take some deep breaths with this one. Let's switch sides when you're ready. Check shoulder is down. That's it. Find that stretch through those arms. Good. Let's lift this arm up now and just do a nice side stretch over. Finding the stretch down through the shoulder blade, the side of the ribs. Lift and lower, other way. Over. Lift and lower, good. Up. Over. Lift and lower, one more. Now try and create that same feeling with your head. So you're just going over. Lovely stretch through the neck. Turn the head to look down. Bring it back. And up. Other way. Over. Turn to look down. And back. And up. Again. Over. Down. And up. And over, and down, and up. Well done. Let's go into our legs. All right, so taking your right leg back, your left leg forward. As wide as you want to be. Both feet facing forward. The back foot can be slightly turned out. All right, and we're just leaning forward. So think of drawing those ribs in. Tummy muscles in, so we're still getting a little bit of core work even though we're doing our cool down. And then just rest your hands on that front leg. Now you're going to hold it there, but lift up the back heel and just turn your foot so it's now parallel. And now see if you can lower that heel down so you're getting that deeper calf stretch. Now bend that back knee, bring your hands back onto your pelvis and tilt your pelvis forward until you find a stretch in the front of that right hip, holding it there. Good. Let's change sides. So you're starting with the back leg slightly turned out. You're leaning forward. Again, think of closing the ribs. Think of that lovely straight line through your back. Hands on that front knee. Now turn that back foot so it's parallel and see if you can stretch it out. Think of reaching the heel back and down, trying to get a deeper stretch of your calf muscles. That's it. Well done. Now bend that back knee. So you're sinking down, bring your hands onto your pelvis, tip your pelvis forward, finding the stretch in that front hip. Well done. You're going to straighten those legs. You're going to turn towards me. All right, and we're going to have our feet more or less facing forward. And I want you to think of tipping at the hip, all right? Coming forward, getting a stretch in the back of both of those legs. All right, so wherever you can reach to, okay? I'd like you to be no lower than tabletop, all right? There'll be a reason for that, which you'll see shortly. All right, now I want you to reach your arms out to the side. Okay, and then from there, we're just going to bring our right arm down. We're doing a little rotation at the waist, reaching towards that left leg. All right, and just go to wherever you can, wherever feels right for you. That's the most important thing, just stretching out. So we're rotating the spine, we're stretching the front of the chest and the shoulders. That top arm is reaching back. If you can turn your head to look up. Good. Now pull your tummy in first. So we've got our core engaged, and then we're going to bring that arm back. Come back to your tabletop. Now let's reach across to the other side. Reach, reach, reach. That's it. Find the stretch. One side will always feel easier than the other. And again, reach that top arm back. Stretching those hamstrings as well, which feels rather lovely. Good. Pull the abdominals in towards your spine and then reset that body and come all the way down. Just letting the head hang down now, so there's no strain in that neck, no tension in that neck. Good. Now just walk your feet in towards each other, however you want to, so they are underneath your hips. Let your head hang down. Take the weight out of your arms. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, draw the abdominals in and slowly roll up through the spine, coming all the way up to standing. Very nice. Bring your hands here, rotate towards me and reach out. Good. Now if you can, you're going to take those arms up. Lovely stretch there. Separate those hands, stretching out. Take them behind you, interlace those fingers and reach back, stretching your chest. Good. Let's do that one more time. Hands forward, interlace, turn, reach out. Lift up. Draw your shoulders down. Find that stretch through the wrists. Good. Separate those hands. Take them behind you. Interlace those fingers at the back, stretching out. And if you can, lift those arms a little higher. Good. And release. And to finish, let's take a deep breath in. Exhale, reaching out. Deep breath in. Exhale, reaching out. One more time. Breathing in. Reaching out. Well done. And there you go. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed our little 10-minute cool down today. Please do press the like button and please do subscribe. That really just helps me grow the channel. A big thank you from me and from Boo for joining us today. Take care and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to support me and this channel, then please do check out my Ko-fi page, where not only will you be able to support me, but you'll also get an insight into all the other things going on in my life. I talk about nutrition, health, culture, all kinds of stuff. So if that's something that appeals to you, then do check out the Ko-fi page. Take care, and I'll see you soon.